Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can pay for Shopify with Easypaisa, so let's get right into it. Now, the thing you're going to want to do first is from your dashboard, you're going to want to go into your settings in the bottom left, and then you're going to go into payments. From here, you'll see that you have to set up a payment provider, or rather, scratch that. This is the wrong one. You're going to go into billing. Payments are for when people are buying on Shopify from your store. Billing is for adding a payment method. And as you can see, you can add a payment method very easily by clicking here, and you can add credit card or PayPal, at least for my region. Now, if you are in Pakistan, you will have Easypaisa as an option, and you just want to click on that and then follow these steps to connect it and integrate it. Now, since it is a private payment gateway, you're most likely going to have to use some APIs or modify the API options of the Shopify store so that it does accept Easypaisa as a payment method, but that is pretty much it, and you just integrate it as you would in any other website. Shopify or other websites pretty much share the same integration process behind Easypaisa, and that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.